Yo, welcome to Useless Knowledge in 60 Seconds. Ever wonder why some folks sneeze like a human sprinkler when they see sunlight? Grinning squinting face if you're a chew ing at car headlights, bathroom lights, or even your phone screen, you might have the light sneeze reflex, a quirky glitch that hits 10 to 35% of people worldwide. No big deal, just your face nerves playing a prank. Here's the scoop. Your optic nerve, which handles vision, is BFFs with the trigeminal nerve, which runs your nose and face. When bright light hits, the optic nerves like, yikes, too bright, tell the brain to squint. But sometimes, it crosswires and pings the trigeminal nerve, which yells, sneeze, now, sneezing face total nerve fail. Plus, it's genetic. If mom or dad sneezes at sunlight, there's a 50% chance you'll be sneezing at light bulbs too. So, blame your DNA for that sneeze fest. Winking face with tongue. Stick around for more useless but awesome facts.